Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Payday 3 invite not only working. Make sure to stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first step or section that you can do is to just recreate the lobby. So one of the first steps you can do is to resolve the matchmaking errors in Payday 3 is to create the lobby. So the simple action can often fix minor issues that may be causing the invite only feature to not working properly. So to create the lobby, you can just follow the steps right here. So first, just leave the current lobby. So if you're experiencing issues with the invite only feature, the first thing you should do is to leave the current lobby. This will allow you to start fresh and potentially resolve any issues that may have occurred. And then next is to create a new lobby. After leaving the current lobby, just create a new one. So this will ensure that you are starting from scratch and give you a better chance of successfully using the invite only feature. Then you can also restart the matchmaking session. So if recreating the lobby doesn't solve the issue, you can try restarting the matchmaking session, because sometimes lost connections can cause issues with the invite only feature, and restarting the session can help resolve these problems. So to restart the matchmaking sessions, just follow the steps right here. So first, exit out of the current matchmaking session. Again, and if you're currently in matchmaking session and experiencing issues with the invite only feature, exit out of it. Then this will allow you to fresh start or to start fresh and potentially resolve any connection issues that may be causing the problem. And then just start a new matchmaking session again. So once you have exited out from the current session, just start a new one. So this will give you a fresh start and increase your chances of successfully using the invite only feature. Then you can also restart the game. So to restart the game, you can just follow the steps right here. So close Payday 3, just exit out of the game completely. And then to launch Payday 3 again, open the game and try using the invite only feature once more. And then next is to monitor Payday 3 server status. So to avoid overloading the server and encountering issues with the invite only feature, it is important to monitor the status of the Payday 3 servers. So by doing so, you can stay informed about any potential server issues and take steps to avoid them. So to monitor the Payday 3 server status, you can follow the steps right here. So first, just check official sources or community forums, and just visit the official Payday 3 website or community forums to find updates or server status. And developers often post announcements about any server related issues or maintenance. And then you need to avoid peak times. So try to avoid playing during peak times when servers may be under heavy load. By playing during off peak hours, you can reduce the chances of encountering server related issues. And that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.